In the last video, I have explained you how to execute this pattern with the user as a user input. If the user gives a 5 as the input, then it should give the 5 rows and 5 columns. If my input is 3 and it has to give the star pattern of this 3 rows and 3 columns. And last time I have explained you with the scanner class. Today let's see how to execute, how to give the input with the buffer reader. So I'm commenting this, and I think no need of this also, and in next int size also not required. So mind it, instead of scanner class I can write input stream reader equals to new. I will copy paste this input stream reader system dot in semicolon, enter. Buffered reader input equals to new space buffer reader. After this I will ask for the given number. Now int size equals to integer dot parse int input dot read line semicolon. Now I have input using input stream reader and buffer reader. I am able to give the input here, and this is a string. Initially, Java takes input as a string format, then we are converting it to the integer type, as explained to you earlier in the previous videos. If I compile this, compile, there is no syntax error. No syntax error. Now, if I execute it now, I will clear this output with the shortcut Ctrl K. If I run this, okay, give the size number. If I give the input 5, it is giving us 5 rows and 5 columns. If I run it again, it is asking for given number and my input is 3. Not only why it is 3, okay, so I didn't change this 5, that's why it is giving me like this. If I replace with size, Ctrl V, compile, pattern void, if I click OK, Ctrl K, 5, if I run it again, if I give this 3, it is giving me the 3. You can give any number, say by giving 10, it will give me 10 rows and 10 columns. That's how you can do it. Thank you. If you have any doubts, anything, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply you, and I will explain you in the next video. Any doubts, any conditions, or any patterns, any explanation of any program, I will do it. That's it.